once again.
What's going on, everyone? Working on a RAYMOND EC order picker here, model OPC30TT order picker, and it has no steering. Okay, when you turn it on, it throws code G2, G3, and G4. Okay, if you have those codes, first thing you want to check is your steering motor. Make sure the brushes are okay on it. Next thing you want to check is your encoder. Okay, the encoder is built into the motor. It's right here. Make sure the cable is fine, the plug is fine. It's on this side over here. Make sure that's okay. Alright, if it throws a code G2, swap this out, this encoder with this motor. If it throws all three codes, G2, G3, G4, first thing you want to do if you have a sister truck, I have two here, is swap out the vehicle manager right here. Swap it out. Code still continues. Swap out the steering amplifier. Okay, this is the steering amplifier. The positive and negative cables here, these two go to here. These plugs go to the vehicle manager, fuse number 1, and right here. Okay, and that's located right back here. Okay, that's your steering amplifier. Again, if it throws code G2, G3, G4, replace the steering amplifier. Anything else, G4 most likely is here. G3, G2 most likely is your steering encoder. Okay, hope that helps. Here's the location of the steering power amplifier. This is also important to know. If the lift truck codes before dead man pedal depressed, so before you even press the dead man switch, most of the time it's these two. Replace the steer amplifier or replace the vehicle manager. If the truck does it after you press the dead man pedal, most of the time the steer motor encoder or the steer motor. Okay, that's also important to know.